PICA Manufacturing Solutions Flex Sample Kit. This sample kit showcases just a few of the many ways flex circuits can be manufactured. Since every flex circuit is completely custom, the possible variations are nearly unlimited. Key factors that influence design include substrate material, copper foil thickness, trace layout, bending requirements, component placement, controlled impedance, layer quantity, and overall flexibility, considering potential stress points during bending. Each sample in the kit collection measures 1 inch by 5 inches, providing a tangible and standardized format for engineers to assess and evaluate our technology. Flex to install, a standard 2-layer flex circuit with 35 microns rolled annealed copper on both sides of polyimide film, with an adhesive layer bonding it together. Designed for applications with limited flexing, mainly during installation. Its thicker construction provides a more robust design with limited flexibility requirements. Dynamic flex, built for applications requiring repeated flexing, this stack-up includes 18 microns rolled annealed copper per layer, adhesiveless polyimide, making it thinner and more flexible, which is advantageous for 3D packaging. Highly dynamic flex. For continuous bending applications, this stack-up uses 2 microns high ductility electrodeposited copper, ultra-thin construction for extreme flexibility, and exceptional endurance in the range of hundreds of thousands to millions of cycles. High current flex, designed for applications requiring high current with minimal bending, this stack-up features 2-ounce copper, thicker adhesive, and base film for better performance. Impedance control. For designs where components may disrupt signal integrity, this stack-up consists of 3 layers of 1/2-ounce copper, 2 outer layers with polyimide between solid copper, acting as a shield for impedance stability, and polyimide thickness can vary based on impedance requirements. EMI shield. For environments where electromagnetic interference is a concern, this stack-up includes 1 layer of 1/2-ounce copper, 2 outer layers of 8 microns EMI film, protecting sensitive circuits from external noise, and maintains flexibility while offering EMI protection. If you would like to request a PICA kit or have any additional questions about our capabilities in flexible circuitry, please visit picamfg.com/PICA kit and fill out the form. Or call us at 855 PICA MFG. Thanks for watching.